A'uz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz, and today I am presenting a lecture on the topic Venturi Meter. And also, I want to introduce my YouTube channel of Untitled Chemical Engineering EdTech, and I also have discussed different topics related to chemical engineering, and the title of these topics you are watching at background pages. Also, I have a special offer for my viewers. If you people want to understand any topic related to chemical engineering, then you can write topic name in video comments or WhatsApp to me. Jazakallah. And after subscribing my channel, you will get my latest videos. In this video, I am presenting a lecture on Venturimeter. We will define Venturimeter with the help of 3 points for better understanding. So according to the first point, Venturimeter is a flow measuring device and work under principle of Bernoulli equation. According to second point, Venturi flow meter consists on streamline contraction and a streamline expansion. According to third point, Venturi meter is a device in which pressure energy convert into kinetic energy, and this Venturi meter is invented by American engineer Clemens Herschel and named by the Italian physicist Giovanni Venturi. If you people observe the diagram of Venturi meter, then you can see that a meter consists on 3 parts, which are inlet, the second one is throat, and the third one is outlet. And if we explore these 3 points, then Venturi meter has a converging conical inlet and a cylindrical throat and also a diverging recovery cone, which is called outlet. If we talk about operation of first part of Venturi meter, which is inlet, then according to operation, converging section gradually decrease area of pipe. So as a result, velocity will increase but pressure will decrease. If we explore second part of Venturi meter, which is cylindrical throat, and you are watching that in diagram, area of throat has less diameter than inlet and outlet pipes diameters. So due to this reason, pressure difference will be created, and that pressure difference will be measured by manometer. So as a result, at the center of the cylindrical throat, pressure will be at its lowest value, where neither the pressure nor the velocity will be changing. In the third or last part of Venturi meter, which is diverging section, so in this section again pressure will be recovered, and as a result velocity will be decreased. According to advantages of Venturi meter, the first one is power loss is very less. The second one is this can be used where a small head is available, and the third one is high reproducibility. It's mean if we repeat experiment, so all the readings will be consistent, all the readings will be same. And according to the next, accuracy is high over wide flow ranges, and according to next, this can also be used for compressible and incompressible fluids, and it is easy to operate. According to major disadvantages of Venturi meter, the first one is high initial costs for installation, and the second one is difficulty in installation and inspection, and the third one is the installation cost of a Venturi meter is high, and the fourth one is there are little difficulties while maintenance, And the next one is this device cannot be used where the pipe has a small diameter of 76.2 millimeter. Also it's non-linear, and according to next, this system occupies more space as compared to the orifice meter, and according to next, it has a limitation of the lower Reynolds number of 150,000, and according to the last, it is expensive and a little bulky.